Thank you, Madam Chair. I think we can dispense with reading the table. We can proceed to number 5.
Meanwhile, insurance-related transactions, including sell life insurance policy, 43.42 million, and purchase of life insurance policy investments, 20 million, are also present. Notable movements alongside purchase of checks, 20.03 million, loan payments, 18.23 million, and encashments, 15.10 million. Smaller value transactions include loan pre-terminations, check clearing, loan availments, cash deposits, collections, bills payments, credit card payments, bond purchases, salaries, pension credits, inward remittances, and credit card purchases.
Before proceeding with number 6, can you clarify po yung difference ng inflow transactions, because this is the subject of the next paragraph, versus the total transactions, which you had previously read for the record? What is the distinction between inflow transactions and the total amount of transactions?
Honorable Redon, if I may interrupt, the table is ready to be flashed. Would
Sige
you-
po.
Okay. Secretariat, please flash the matrix. That is in accordance with the manifestation of the Honorable Redon. Cash or bank deposit as declared in the SALN vis-a-vis transaction in the AMLC report vis-a-vis the total net worth likewise in the SALN.
Yes, just before proceeding, Madam Chair, I think we would want to particularly note that from 2007, when we had received copies of the SALN, the net worth of the Vice President was just 7,250,000. But there were transactions that had gone through her accounts, amounting to 208 million pesos. I think the same is clear in the other years, no? We'd like to highlight, for example, 2009. She had a SALN of 18.8 million, but 704 million had gone through her accounts. We'd like to state for the record as well, 2010, net worth of 16.2 million, but the transactions going into her accounts was 648 million. For 2011, 14.2 million, but transactions going into her accounts were 597 million. For 2012, net worth is 22.1 million, but going into her accounts in 2012 was 407 million. I think the same is true in other years, Madam Chair. It is just a bit smaller, but it speaks to the clear disparity from what had been stated in the year-on-year SALN's net worth of the Vice President, Madam Chair, just for the record and before proceeding.
Madam Chair.